Hey there, welcome to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. In today's episode of this podcast, we are looking at how to invest money in different ways. How to invest money in different ways, although it's going to be a beginner's guide on how to invest money. But however, if you are just coming across this channel, I want to appeal to you to please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we have new content uploaded on this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning, consuming our content, and I want you to know that yes, we are committed to giving you educational and valuable content. And the topic that we're looking at today is for educational purpose only. It is not an advice for you to part with your money, but for educational purpose. That's the disclaimer anyway. But however, you're going to get value for your time. So I want you to stay tuned end of this episode because you are going to learn how to and where to invest your money even in high inflation economy. So let me know in the comment section if you are ready to grow your wealth. Let me know. Just drop something in the comment section that I am super ready to grow my wealth. For me, I am growing my wealth and I am super ready to grow my wealth the more. So now let's get started. Looking at how to invest money in different ways, I want you to understand some things about investment. The first question that you need to ask yourself is, why should I invest my money? Ask yourself this question, why should I invest my money? And if you want me to answer you, I will say simply because, investing allows you to grow your wealth over time, and it will also help you to beat inflation. I've been talking about how to outsmart high inflation economy for some months now. And you can see what is happening to our economy and the economy of our great nation, Nigeria. And also, it is not Nigeria alone. It's happening across the world. You must ask yourself this question and also know why you should invest your money. But let me advise you. Let me share 3 reasons why you should invest now. Why you should invest your money now. Number 1, to grow your wealth. This is one of the reasons why the wealthy invest. They want to keep growing their wealth and leave inheritance for their children and their children's children. So you understand that the number 1 reason is to grow wealth. Number 2 is to beat inflation, is to beat high inflation. I've said this time is down number. You don't keep money in an high inflation economy. When there is high inflation, don't save money in any of your savings account at that period in time. What you need to do is to invest, and I'll be sharing about 7 investment options with you in this episode. Yes, the number 3 reason why you should invest is to achieve financial freedom. You may want to say, oh, Taiwo, I'm still young. Do I need financial freedom? Every age bracket needs financial freedom because you spend money on a daily basis. And as you spend money, you must be thinking of how to earn on a daily basis, even while you are sleeping. Learn how your money can work for you and how to invest. That is why I'm sharing this with you, how you can invest money in different ways. Now that you know why investing is important, let us now look at some of the most popular ways of investing your money. The number 1 option is invest in stocks. The GTCO shares ended yesterday, and when I did a video on why you should invest in GTCO or GTB shares 3 weeks ago, I got a lot of correspondence. A lot of people were calling, chatting me up. I had to be answering some questions in the comment section of that video. You can watch the video, it will be linked up here. Now, I got a lot of questions that kept me thinking that I think I need to begin to do master classes on stock trading and investing, because I realized that a lot of people don't understand the fundamental or the fundamentals of stock trading. So I promise I'm going to be doing that in collaboration with one of my friends, United Kingdom. We are working on something on collaboration, bringing your way stock trading education and stuff like that. But however, the stock market is about the future. Understand that. Because a lot of people were asking, when I invest, how will I be getting my money? How will I be getting dividends? Is it that this, that? In fact, some people ask how, so it's like some people have not even bought shares before. So I had to be explaining, go this way, do it this way. This is the procedure and stuff like that. A lot of questions. Some people ask questions about dividends and stuff like that. So, and that is the reason why I am working with a partner on bringing your way enough tutorial videos on stock trading, and even we'll look at other financial markets too. However, you need to understand that the stock market is about the future. So if you are investing in the stock market, understand that it is not for short term. Yeah, there are some people that have the money to trade the stock market in the long run, while some don't have the money, they do short term. But if you want to enjoy long dividends upon dividends, then you must thinking of investing in the stock market for the future. Yes, let's say 5, 10 years, 15 years, and you can even leave some shares for your children. One of the most common ways to build wealth is investing in the stock market for long term. And when you buy a stock, it simply means that you are purchasing a small piece or a small portion of that company, of the company you are buying the shares. And if the company grows and performs well, you know what happens? Your investment will keep increasing in value. That is the main point of investing in a company. And if that company is not doing well, on the other hand, what you can imagine what will happen to your investment. And this is one of the reasons why we used to advise people to do their research before investing in any company. In fact, when I did the GTCO shares video, in one of the comments I read, someone said that GTB paid me as an influencer to be promoting their shares. In fact, I did not collect a dime from GTB, neither from anybody to do that video. I just look at it as, this is an opportunity for people out there. Let them know, because I realized that a lot of people don't believe in the Nigerian stock exchange market. And so many people are making fortune from this Nigerian stock exchange. Why not you? Why not me? So that was the reason why I did that video. And I also promised to be coming your way with some trading alert. I mean, some stock trading alert. Like presently, I think we have FCMB coming up. So, and someone also requested on the comment of the video that I should also analyze Zenith Bank. So I promised to create time to analyze Zenith and also FCMB. In subsequent videos, I'll be analyzing that and let you know if they are good buy or good stocks for you to buy. So now let's move on to the option 2, the investment option number 2 that I would like you to look into is to invest in financial instruments by government and some corporate organization. You can invest in bonds and also in money market funds. I think I've done some videos on these two instruments. When you invest in bonds, it's about giving out loans to the government of your country to do major projects. There are different ways that government generate money or income. They have various means, various ways. And one of the ways is what we call internally generated revenue, or IGR. Internally generated revenue. I hope you must have listened to news where maybe the Minister of Finance or your state government is saying, oh, our internally generated revenue rose to this, blah, blah, blah. You understand? So what they are trying to tell you is that the revenue that they generated within their domain or their state or country is so. And one of the various means of generating that IGR is through bonds, government bonds. And I will show you a screen shortly for you to know my recommended bond. And that is FGN Savings Bond. I've done videos on these. Maybe I will also link that at the end of this episode. Now, let's go to this website. This is the DMO office, or we call it Debt Management Office, called the Federal Government of Nigeria. You see, they don't usually announce this FGN Savings Bond. They don't usually announce it. You can see it here. FGN Savings Bond. This is new. Did you see the new? The green button, new. Now, what this guy is telling us is that they just uploaded it yesterday and it will only last for like 4 days, I think. That is one of the reasons why they don't usually announce this. You have to be a smart investor if you want to invest in FGN Savings Bond. And I've explained times without number that you need a minimum of 5,000 to invest in a federal government savings bond. And let me show you here. When you come to their website, just type, or you go to Google and type FGN Savings Bond, FGN Savings Bond, and it will take you to this website. When you come here, look at new. When you click on open, it will open a PDF file. On this PDF, you can see offer for subscription, the Debt Management Office. They are telling us on behalf of the Federal Government of Nigeria, offers for subscription and is authorized to receive applications for Federal Government of Nigeria Savings Bond as at the following interest rate. 2-year FGN Savings Bond. Did you see that? 2-year FGN Savings Bond, and due on the 21st of August 2026 at 17.37% per annum. If you are doing 3 years, it is 18.37%, and it's opened on the 12th of August. It will close on the 16th of August. So once it closes, the settlement will be on the 21st of August. You understand? And this will last till 2026 for 2 years if you are doing 2 years, or 2027 if you are doing 3 years. Now, let me show you something here. The issuer is the Federal Government of Nigeria. The unit of sales here, they are telling us, did you see it, is 1,000 per unit, subject to a minimum subscription of 5,000 naira. So with 5,000 naira, you can invest in the Federal Savings Bond and in multiples of 1,000 thereafter. What it means is, if you want to buy additional bonds, it has to be in multiple of 1,000 naira. Did you get that? And the maximum is you can do 50 million. If you have like 50 million and invest in this savings bond at 17.37 something percent annually, you can do the calculation yourself. What will happen? Let me show you something here. The interest rate is paid quarterly. Look at every quarter you'll be getting your interest here. Did you see it? And redemption is here at maturity. Now, let me show you something here. This is very important. Security. It is backed by the full faith and credit of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and charged upon the general asset of Nigeria. This is something that you ought to be looking into. Watch out for it on a monthly basis. You understand? You may want to ask, how do you do this? It is easy. It is easy because one of the challenges I faced in recommending GTB shares is how to buy. A lot of people don't know how to buy. A lot of people don't have GT Bank account or GT Bank app. A lot of people don't have CSCS account. A lot of people don't know that you can buy through Bamboo and Trove, and I mentioned it in the video. Some people did not even watch the video to the end, and they are asking questions. Some are chatting me up, so I had to be referring them back to the video. So now, if you want to buy federal government savings bond, this is what you do. You see, it is written here: interested investors should contact the stockbroking firms appointed as distribution agents by the Debt Management Office. Please visit this website for the list of distribution agents. So what you need to do is, don't just chat me up or drop comments or ask questions. Do your own research. Investment is risky, but there is the place of you creating time to do research about what you want to invest in. You understand? Because this thing is not magic. You have to learn it. Yes, we can encourage you to invest in so instruments, but however, you also need to understand what you are investing into. You get that? So that is that about federal government savings bond. So the second option under the number 2 investment option is money market funds. Money market funds. You see, it is a great choice if you are looking for safe haven or safe place to park your cash or to invest your money while you earn decent returns. You're looking for where, as in safe place to invest your money and earn decent returns on your investment. Plus, they are easy to access whenever you need funds. You just call the company and tell them, oh, I need to terminate this, I need so thing, and they will get it done for you. On money market funds, I have 2 companies that I would recommend you to go and study their stuff. Go to their website, read everything about money market funds. Money market funds, and the number 1 is First Bank. I think First Bank is FBN Quest. This is FBN Quest. You may want to ask, how can I get to this place? It is easy. Just go to Google and type, let me go back and show you. Type money market fund in Nigeria. The first thing that will come out is the FBN, which is First Bank. FBN Quest. Then you see FBN Quest Asset Management. Once you get to this place, you see you can read up, come down. FBN Money Market Fund is a short to medium term mutual fund with low capital investment. Did you see it? Low investment risk, and typically offers higher interest rates and quarterly income distributions with a minimum investment of 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. That's the minimum, because I also got questions from the video on GT Code that why 5,000 naira? Is it not too small? All those things. Please, this is the minimum. If you have more than 5,000, invest and do the calculation based on what you will read on this page. Now they have told us, look at everything is there. Go and read everything that you need to read on this website. Now they are telling us the benefit. Let's look at the benefit. The benefit is minimum of 5,000, low investment risk, high level of security, competitive returns, higher rates than standard bank savings accounts. Did you see that? Easily top up your investment account at any time. Meaning, if you can be saying every month, I want to be topping up this investment account. Did you get it? And it is meant for those that new investor with short-term goals. New investor with short-term goals. So if this goes with your goal, then please look at this. And the second one is Mansard. Is AX. Let me go back. AX. The second one that I want to show you is AX Mansard. AX. Okay, yes, this is the second one that I want to show you. I think it is owned by GTB. Yes, it is Asa Mansard. AsaMansard.com. AXA then Mansard.com. So now when you come here, you see they have investment. Under investment tab, you go to money market fund. Money market fund, you can see, look at, you read what you have here. Do you see it? You read what you have here, and then the benefit, everything, read it. You see they have their fact sheet here. You can invest, and it is easier to invest. This is dollar bond fund. This one you need minimum of $2,000, and they will tell you everything that you need to know about it. And they also have this one, non-discretionary portfolios, and they have equity income fund. But the one that I'm recommending that you should start with is money market fund. Money market fund. Let me show you something here. They say it is written here, see, that the yield per annum is 21.45%. Do you see that? As at 11th of August 2024, this one is even higher than FGN Savings Bond. But however, you can diversify your investment portfolio. That is why they call it investment portfolio. Put some amount of money in FGN Savings Bond, in stocks, and in money market fund. That is how to build an investment portfolio in creating wealth. Did you get that? So I think I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but I think we need to move fast. The third place to invest your money is to invest in yourself. Invest what? In yourself. I cannot overemphasize this. I used to tell people the greatest investment that you can do is the one you invest in yourself. And you may want to ask, invest in what? See, invest in your thoughts. Invest in your thoughts. Invest in your skills. Invest in your skills. Invest in your gift, your talent. Invest in your health. Invest in yourself. Invest educationally. You understand? Invest. Don't say education is a scam. Education is not a scam. Education is not a scam. Personal development is not a scam. In fact, you cannot negotiate it. It is something that will lead you to higher income, will lead you to better job opportunities and overall financial stability. What you know, nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can take it away from you. So invest in your talent, in your gift, in your skills, in what you know. Reskill and upskill yourself. Invest in your thoughts. Create time to think. Think productive thinking. Generate ideas that can change your financial status. Develop something from productive thinking that can transform your life. I don't want to waste time on this point, but you need to understand that there is no investment that you invest in yourself that is waste. No. Any investment that you make on yourself is going to produce good returns on your investment. That is a take home for you. Yes, that is a take home for you. So let's look at the fourth option. Fourth place to invest your money is to create your own business by solving problems. One of the most powerful ways to invest is by creating your own business. And when you start a business, you are not just earning money. Yeah, you are not just earning money. You are solving problems. You are doing what? You are solving problems. You are in the business of problem solving. You are solving problems and you are making positive impact in your community, the life of people in your community, even globally. Don't be a local champion as a business owner or as an entrepreneur. Technology has made us global now. So think of invest in starting up a business, and that business should be solving problems, impacting and influencing lives. And that is when you can get good returns on your investment through that business. So I want to encourage you to think of the problems you can solve and how your solutions can make a difference, whether it is through a new product, new service, or a social enterprise. Yes, you know what social enterprise is? That is looking for one common problem, like environmental problem, climate change problem, food insecurity problem, and what other problem? Migration problem, where people are migrating to a country that life is becoming difficult from where they are coming from. You understand? So all these are social businesses that you can look into and solve problems so that your business can be a vehicle for change and a profitable one at that. So let's move to the fifth one. The fifth place to invest money is invest in rental businesses. Invest in rental businesses. You can co-start or co-found rental business. How do I mean by rental business or businesses? Media, yes. You see, media equipment rentals, podcast and video production, including recording studio. Yes, studio rentals are booming industries right now. They are booming. Why? Because we are already in the creators economy, the content creation economy. That is the economy where we are now. And content creation has taken over the place. So some content creators need gadgets, they need equipment. Yes, some of them have good phones that they don't know how to use. Yes, you can come in there, invest in a business that is teaching people how to use phone to do cinematic, to produce good content. You can invest in companies that are renting out good cameras, lightnings, and every other thing, equipment for video, for podcast production, and even the space where they can record their podcast. That is a huge industry now, both in Nigeria and across the world. In fact, it's a big industry in America. With the rise of content creation and digital media, there is a huge demand for these services globally. So by investing in rental businesses, you can generate a steady income while meeting the needs of a growing market. Plus, it is a great way to diversify your income streams. Don't forget that. So let's check number 6 way. The number 6 way to invest your cool money is invest in land assets. Invest in land assets. You see, I did not say real estate because you see, when you mention real estate, a lot of people think, oh, real estate is capital intensive. I need millions or billions of naira or dollars to start to buy, to go into real estate. No, I'm not saying go into real estate. If you have some money, investing in land asset is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. Why? Because land doesn't depreciate, making it a solid long-term investment opportunity for you. You don't need to start with land in Lekki, in Ikoyi or VI. Go to the village and partner with the Bale of your village, or those families that have landed property, expanse of land that don't use them. Maybe their forefathers were into agriculture, and now everybody is going into blue collar job, and some of them are trying to jackpot abroad, and they don't even see why they should utilize the land. Go there and buy those lands at affordable price, and then keep them, because you need to understand that there are 3 ways that land asset will be useful for you. Number 1, it is either for development or for agriculture, or holding it as an asset. As an asset for so many things. Either hold it for long term, an asset, or use it as a collateral for business funding, or you can even use it as a tie for when you are traveling, when you are trying to package your traveling document. So land asset is huge opportunity. Maybe you are buying for development, for agriculture, or simply holding it as an asset. This investment opportunity provide significant returns in the future. You understand? Don't start with landed property in highbrow area. No, start from your village. Igbelowowa. You know what that means? Money is in the bush. If you have 10 acres of land now and you are planting cassava on a yearly basis, you know what that will produce? Or you are planting plantain, or even if it is just watermelon, seasonal watermelon at every dry season, 3 months, you know what that will produce in this economy that we have now? So think of land assets in 3 ways: for development, for agriculture, holding it as an asset for long-term investment purpose. So the number 7 place to invest your money, which is the last but not the least, is invest in good relationships and collaborations. Yeah, invest in good relationships and collaboration. I realized that one of the most underrated investments is in relationship and collaboration. People don't really know that good relationships and collaborations are good investments. They are good investment. Yes, meaningful networking and strategic partnership can open doors to new opportunities for you, and they can even open significant boost, for your net worth in life. I believe you have heard this saying before, that your network determines your net worth. It's a popular saying. How would your network determines your net worth? It is by investing in good relationships and collaborations. Deliberately invest in that, because you need people, good people around you, if you want to create wealth. Yes. So invest time in building strong relationships, strong and good one. Collaborate with others who share your vision, who are ready to, support your good cause, and you will see that yes, you are building your financial empire. So as we close, let me quickly do a recap. The 7 places where you can invest your money are in the stock market, in financial instrument by government or companies like bonds, money market funds. The number 3 is invest in yourself. Number 4, create your own business by solving problems. Create your own business. Don't forget, you are solving other people's problem. Number 5 is invest in rental businesses. Number 6, invest in landed assets. And the last but not the least is invest in good relationships and collaborations. Now, let me say this. Investing can be overwhelming at first. Yes, when you start, don't forget that this is for beginners. It can be overwhelming at first. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you can grow your wealth. Yes, you can grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. And that is why start building your investment portfolio with the right financial goals. I used to tell people, when anybody comes to me and say, oh, I need you to mentor me, I need you to coach me, I need you to train me about this, I ask them, what are your investment and financial goals? Those are the 2 questions I ask. When you can tell me your investment goals and your financial goals, I can definitely predict how you can build your investment portfolio. And don't forget that the key is start small. Start small and diversify your investment. Then think of long term. When you think of long term, nobody can take away your success in the long run. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly financial tips and business opportunities. Until next time, happy investing.